our esteemed guest speaker, Mr. Escobar, to our public schools district supervisor, Dr. Melinda Camacho, to our school principal, Mr. Leonardo P. Mendoza, beloved teachers, our proud parents, guests, and my fellow graduates. A wonderful morning filled with gratitude and celebration. Standing here today, I feel both joyful and a little emotional because this moment is not just about the end of our grade 6 journey. It is about remembering all the people who helped us reach this milestone. 6 years ago, we came to school as little children, holding on to our parents' hands, unsure of what to expect. Today, we stand taller, braver, and more confident, ready to face a new chapter in our lives. And we did not get here alone. As for myself, how did I become a top pupil among the 185 pupils today? There are a couple of reasons. First, through prayer, because we cannot achieve success without God. Second, by staying focused during lessons, listening carefully, keeping ideas in mind, and analyzing questions thoughtfully. And then, there's a very simple but valuable lesson I learned from my grade 6 teacher, Teacher Lala. She taught us to give our best in everything we do, whether it is cleaning the whiteboard, washing the dishes, sweeping the floor, even cleaning the comfort room, or simply writing our notes. She taught us that school is like work. The better you perform, the greater the opportunities that come your way. To our teachers, from kinder to grade 6, thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Each of you has been a part of our story. To our kinder and grade 1 teachers, thank you for teaching us how to read, write, and believe in ourselves. To our grade 2 and grade 3 teachers, thank you for challenging us to grow, think deeper, and do better. To our grade 5 and grade 4 and grade 5 teachers, thank you for challenging us to grow, think deeper, and do better. To our beloved grade 6 teachers, thank you for preparing us for this big step, for your patience, encouragement, and for never giving up on us even when things are difficult. We are not only our teachers, but you are our second parents, our mentors, and our inspiration. To our school administrators, thank you for leading our school and creating a place where we feel safe, supported, and inspired to learn. To our dear parents and guardians, thank you for your endless love, sacrifices, and unwavering support. Everything we have achieved today, we owe to you. To my dear classmates from grade 6 Purple, thank you for the laughter, friendships, and the memory we'll carry forever. Though we may go on different paths, we will always remember the journey we shared. On a personal note, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to my family for everything they have done for me. To my Papa Julius and Mama Anya, I know how hard you work every day just to support the family. I am truly grateful for all the sacrifices you have made for me. Even though it's not easy to be away from each other, I understand why you do it. I always pray for your safety. Please take care wherever you are. I would also like to thank my Lola Carmen and Tita Joan, and also my Lola Presley for lovingly taking care of me since grade 3 here in grade 1, while my parents are working far away. Your guidance, love, and support means so much to me, and I will always be thankful. I would also especially thank Serge for being a very great friend and
Maki-search pala.
supporting me the whole way through. Everything I have achieved today is because of all of you. Thank you for your love and for believing in me. As we say goodbye to our elementary days, we also say hello to new dreams, new challenges, and new opportunities. We may feel nervous, but we are also excited because we know we are ready. To my fellow graduates, let us continue to dream, to preserve, and to make our teachers and parents proud of us. This is not the end, it is only the beginning. Congratulations to all of us, and thank you very much. To God be all the glory.